just after 9 Central, 9:11, and S&P just pretty much broke down most of the morning, went into the the bottom of support at 71, and now it's starting to push back a bit, but I mean, that was like the last support in the market, and we're sitting here talking, and we can get down to the high 60s. We want to get a little short, see if we can test the week low down at 48.5, and there's some really big support below there. I mentioned on yesterday's tape at 67.47. But for now, they have held that last support, but all kinds of work to do. If you're looking to lift offers and add to a long position, there's all kinds of stuff up here that can knock it back lower. Started with 98.5, and then you got an area from 04 to 08. Then you got the opening at 12.25, and you got a price that's a bias price at 16.75, 816.75. So, you're down ticking as we're talking here, but that's kind of the picture. If this thing's going to get back on some firm footing and not just hold last support. Bonds and notes seem to make a little push back as the S&P kept getting whacked. But at this juncture, if this move is real, I want to see the bonds hold like 03. 117.03. I want to see 10s hold 23, 112.23. And I want to see the 5s hold 08 quarter. So you guys are short. I mean, in my opinion, you're on the wrong side of the market here. And if you're going to look to add to it and get shorter, got to get those prices to go. And me being kind of bullish on the situation, we get dips into those. Yeah, I'm not going to blanket all three of them, but I might put some buys in 5s or 10s or something. Got a couple more seconds on this. Let's see. Well, there's some resistance just above bonds at 11. But then to get up through that, they can go up there and try and challenge the week high, which is 28, with resistance above at 117.30. 28's a pretty solid resistance price in the 5-year. And 10-year, not well, up at 15, there's some resistance in the 5-year 15.